Good day, everybody. This is Matt Dib here at the FleetWeather Ocean Center in New York. It is the 28th of November, about 6 Zulu. Doing a quick update here to emphasize an area of concern as well as some significant weather features expected here over the next week. Right now in the central South China Sea, we're dealing with Tropical Storm Koto, which has kind of been hanging around for the last several days and is just kind of slowly meandering around and is expected to continue to do so. As we notice the official track over the next few days, a northwest to west, very slow moving system, eventually reaching the Vietnam coast by the 3rd. And this having some impacts with shipping and routes as we speak, and will continue to do so over the next several days. Latest satellite showing Koto mostly with its low-level center exposed, although some convection flaring on the western semicircle. But as you can see, the slow movement off towards the west and northwest, allowing ship traffic generally to pass east of the system. We've had some favorable routes going up through the Palawan Passage and then across the eastern portions of the South China Sea. As we can see here, we do have a large area of near gale to gale force conditions encompassing much of the northern South China Sea, north of the system. To the east of the system, conditions are generally lighter. Now, as we can see, kind of going forward in time here, we do see that large swath of gale force conditions and rough seas of anywhere from 4 to 5 meters. Definitely some 6-meter sea swells on the western semicircle of the system, and then extending south into the South China Sea. So vessels leaving from Singapore northbound, definitely expecting some delays with this ongoing conditions. Again, the Palawan Passage route, probably the most beneficial, will cause some extra time, but will definitely prevent significant slowing, especially for those northbound routes. Again, as we look over time, Koto is expected to gradually weaken as we work through the 3rd at 0Z before the expected forecasted landfall. That will help allow the conditions to subside in the South China Sea in those areas right now where there is some ongoing heavy weather as we work through now the 30th at 0Z and the 1st. But Koto is still hanging out there as it will continue to meander. And then the next event to watch for will be a strong cold front moving off China and developing low pressure east of Japan with strong high pressure in its wake. We also still have Koto down here, and that sets the stage for some enhanced northeasterly conditions and a strong northerly surge, which will encompass a large geographic area from the East China Sea all the way down into the northern South China Sea. And there'll be a large swath of gales to near gales and an area of 4 to 6 meters as we work through the 2nd and 3rd. So something to watch out for in the longer range. Thanks for tuning in. Everyone stay connected and safe and have a great rest of your day.